This video is about how to edit the description for your YouTube short. Now you can edit your shorts description through YouTube Studio on app or on desktop. And on YouTube Studio app, you need to go to Content, then Shorts to find the short you want to edit. And on the short, you can tap these three dots or tap and hold on the short to have the edit option. And from there, you can edit the short's description. And as you can see, you can also edit these other sections, including the title and the tags. And to edit your short on desktop, you also need to go to channel content, then shorts to find the short you want to edit. And on the short, you can just click on it to find the edit option, where you can then edit your short description and other sections. And after editing your YouTube short, you need to of course save the changes. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on YouTube and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.